Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So we do that by of course cutting it open with a pair of scissors. And let's tip out the contents and making sure that there's nothing else left in the packet. So this is the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter, and this is a twin pack, so there is two of them in there, as you can see, in the clear plastic packet. Okay, just going to set it down so you can see clearly what we've just removed from that bubble wrap packaging. And now of course you can go ahead and open this packet up and tip the pair of Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapters. So this is, as I mentioned, a twin pack. So there are two adapters. With the micro USB connector on one end, which is the male end of the adapter, and on the opposite end is the Type A USB end, which is the regular or standard USB connector end right there. So giving you a close-up look at the both of them at the same time. So you only really just need one. This is a twin pack, so it comes with an extra one should you need both of them right there. So I'm going to give you some close-up looks right here. And showing you the side profile as well. So they are pretty small, as you can see. Very simple in design. With the Type A USB at the rear, and at the front is the micro USB connector. Okay, just going to show you as much as I can so you have some sense of the scale and overall design of the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapters. Okay, so now let's go ahead and test them. So setting them down, I do have my trusty Sony Xperia Z5 compact Android smartphone in the slim, the blings TPU case. As you can see, the screen is very cracked. So I've lost control of the touchscreen. But let's go ahead and start the phone up and plug the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter to the end. And over here I do have the EasySMX T47 gaming mouse, which I've just unboxed in the last video or previous video, and you can see the mouse powering up. The LED glowing nicely as the phone starts up. Let's see what happens once it's all ready to go. So with the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter, you can connect not just a mouse but a keyboard to it as well, or other peripherals such as a USB drive or a USB card reader. So there are very many options in which you can connect different peripherals which are USB interfaced. To the device, such as this smartphone that you're connecting. And let's see if we have any mouse control, and right there you can see that the cursor is showing on the screen. So this gives me control of the smartphone, or at least some limited control, of course. Multi-finger controls will not be possible using a mouse. Right now, there we go. And the mouse is, of course, happily working away. So let's try and get the swipe part of this notification off so that we can, or perhaps maybe I'll just use my thumb on the side to get by it right there. And of course, putting in my unlock pattern. And let me see if I can change the sensitivity of the mouse, because it's super sensitive right now. So let me press on the DPI button, and there we go. So even the DPI function works quite nicely on the EasySMX T47 gaming mouse being plugged in to my Sony Xperia Z5 compact Android smartphone through the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter right there, as you can see, connected right there. And of course, this is necessary because I've lost control of this very cracked screen. Okay, so let's go ahead and wait. There we go. We have nice control right there. And just like that, I now have access back in my smartphone again using the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter. So that's the Westeng Micro USB OTG to USB adapter. Thanks for watching and happy adapting!